Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss two multiple choice questions taken from the NEET exam of 2019. These questions are taken from the 12th class syllabus. Along with this, we will discuss two more multiple choice questions which does not require any calculation. They have to be responded from the knowledge of the concepts involved. These questions are also from the NEET exam of 2019. The questions are as follows. Question 1. It is about a double convex lens which has got a focal length of 25 centimeters. It is given that radius of curvature of one surface is double that of the other. The refractive index of the material of the lens is given as 1.5. We are required to find the radii of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Let us first understand the related concepts. The lens is shown in the figure. The radius of curvature of the first surface, R1, is equal to R, which is positive because it is on the right. And the radius of curvature of the second surface, R2, is equal to 2R, which is negative because it is on the left. Let the refractive index of the material of the lens is equal to mu and its focal length is equal to f. Therefore, lens maker's formula gives us 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. In this, we need to substitute the values of r1 and r2 with proper sign convention. Now for the answer. It is given in the question that the focal length of the lens f is equal to 25 centimeters and refractive index mu is equal to 1.5. Radius of curvature R1 is equal to R, which is positive, and R2 is equal to 2R, which is negative. Putting these values, we get 1 by 25 is equal to 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R minus 1 by minus 2R. Now this minus and minus becomes plus. 1 by R plus 1 by 2R gives us 3 by 2R into 1 by 2, which gives us 3 by 4R. Therefore, we get 1 by 25 is equal to 3 by 4R, which gives R is equal to 75 divided by 4, which is equal to 18.75 centimeters. Therefore, we get R1 is equal to R, which is equal to 18.75 centimeters, and R2 is equal to 2R, which is equal to 37.5 centimeters. These are the answers to question 1. Therefore, the correct option is D. Now, for question 2. It is given that for a transparent medium, the relative permeability mu r is equal to 1.0 and the relative permittivity epsilon r is equal to 1.44. We are required to find the velocity of light in this medium. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Let us first understand the related concepts. For vacuum, the permittivity is equal to epsilon 0 and magnetic permeability is equal to mu 0. Therefore, velocity of light in vacuum is given by c is equal to 1 by root over mu 0 epsilon 0. For any other medium, permittivity epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon r, where epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the medium. Similarly, magnetic permeability mu is equal to mu 0 into mu r, where mu r is the relative permeability of the medium. Therefore, velocity of light in this medium is given by v is equal to 1 by root over mu epsilon. Now for the answer. For mu, we put mu 0 into mu r, and for epsilon, we put epsilon 0 into epsilon r. Again, we separate mu 0 epsilon 0 as one factor and mu r epsilon r as another factor, which gives v is equal to 1 by root over mu 0 epsilon 0 multiplied by 1 by root over mu r epsilon r. Now, 1 by root over mu 0 epsilon 0 is equal to velocity of light in vacuum c. Therefore, we get v is equal to c divided by root over mu r epsilon r. It is given in the question that mu r is equal to 1.0 and epsilon r is equal to 1.44. We will put the values to give us v is equal to, for c we put 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by root over, for mu r we put 1 multiplied by, for epsilon r we put 1.44. 1.44 into 1 is 1.44, root over that is equal to 1.2. Therefore, we get v is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 1.2, which gives v is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, which is the answer to question 2. Therefore, the correct option is B. Now, for question 3. This is a multiple choice question which does not require any calculation. It is given that an equiconvex lens has power P. It is cut into two symmetrical halves by a plane containing the principal axis. We are required to find the power of one part. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the answer. The lens is shown here. When it is cut by a plane containing the principal axis, one part will look like this. Now power of a lens is given by P is equal to 1 by F, which is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now, because it is an equiconvex lens, R1 is equal to R and R2 is equal to minus R. So we get P is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by R plus 1 by R, which is equal to 2 by R, multiplied by mu minus 1, which gives P is equal to 2 into mu minus 1 divided by R. Now, this is the full lens and this is one part. Now, when we cut the lens by a plane containing the principal axis like this, we observe that neither the value of mu nor the value of R undergoes a change. They remain unchanged. Therefore, the power of the lens of one part of the length will also be equal to P. Therefore, we write P dash is equal to P, which is the answer to question 3. Therefore, the correct option is A. Now, for question 4. This is a multiple choice question which again doesn't require any calculation. It is given that a sphere encloses an electric dipole having charges plus or minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. We are required to find the total electric flux across the sphere. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the answer. We know that for an electric dipole has got two equal and opposite charges. Therefore, the total charge of an electric dipole will be equal to 0. Therefore, the total electric flux across the sphere is given by phi E is equal to total charge divided by epsilon 0, Q by epsilon 0. Now, total charge Q is equal to 0 for a dipole divided by epsilon 0. Therefore, phi E is equal to 0, which is the answer to question 4. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answers to all the questions of this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.